4 types of foods that make your skin look wrinkly. You may know your exact age, but do you know how old your body really is? Having a bad diet can significantly increase the rate at which our bodies age. Stay tuned to find out how. Hey Happies, our topic for today is some popular foods that may have an adverse effect on the quality of your skin and make it appear wrinkly and old. There are 2 main reasons why the aging process of the skin is accelerated unnaturally. One of the instances where this happens is when the skin is constantly exposed to sunlight for a prolonged time, the other being advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. AGEs are formed in the body when sugar is combined with the fat or protein content we consume through food. While the chronological age of a person is easy to keep track of, the biological age of our bodies is a completely different matter. The biological age is measured by the amount of wear and tear the body has gone through due to poor lifestyle choices like smoking, environmental factors, and an unhealthy diet. These factors add up over time and make your body age a lot faster than it naturally would. While some of these factors may not be completely in your control, the good part is there are certain foods that you can avoid to delay the process. Please stay tuned for a bonus fact at the end and subscribe if you like the video. Avoid sugar as much as possible. Sugar is the main culprit for a long list of health problems like diabetes and heart disease. Research has shown that it may even have a hand in prematurely aging your skin. For one, sugar is linked with being one of the causes of acne breakouts. Acne is an annoying skin condition in which the hair follicles found on your face become blocked up with oil and dead cells on your skin. It can cause blemishes on the skin like whiteheads, blackheads, and even pimples. Another major reason why you should avoid sugar is that it is one of the main causes of inflammation. When your body shows signs of inflammation, it can significantly alter the appearance of having healthy and clear skin. One other big problem that sugar poses on the skin is that it can cause severe damage to the elastin and collagen that makes up our skin tissue. Having healthy levels of collagen and elastin helps the skin appear younger, clearer, and more supple. When the body has high levels of blood sugar, the aforementioned skin-damaging AGEs are processed at a higher rate, and this process is sped up substantially if exposed to sunlight for a prolonged time. Since sugar is such a big part of the modern diet, it is completely understandable to have sugar cravings. Instead of opting for sugary snacks, it may be wise to opt for frozen fruit, especially blueberries, which are known to help prevent the loss of collagen in the skin. Try to stay away from alcohol. While consuming alcohol in moderation does not seem to have a major impact on the health of your skin, you should try your best to avoid it nonetheless, due to many negative effects it can have on your body. When sugary alcoholic drinks are consumed in massive amounts, they cause a condition known as free radicals. Free radicals are unhealthy molecules that contain oxygen and have an uneven number of electrons in their composition. Because of this imbalance, they can be an unstable presence and negatively react with other molecules that make up your skin and body. These negative interactions can trigger massive chemical chain reactions in the body, which cause oxidization and significantly impact the texture and appearance of your skin. Excessive alcohol consumption has also been linked with a decrease in the body's levels of vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential antioxidant that, among other things, is responsible for renewing the cells in your body, including your skin, and improving the overall turnover of these cells. Vitamin A is also responsible for replenishing the collagen in your skin, ensuring it stays wrinkle-free and smooth to the touch. Alcohol can also cause several other skin problems like puffiness, inflammation, and redness. This is why it's wise to stay away from alcoholic beverages, because both your skin and liver will thank you. If you must partake in some light drinking, opt for options that are low in added sugars, such as wine and champagne. It is important to make healthier life choices if you wish to experience the benefits of healthy skin. Try to avoid those late nights out at the bar. Stay away from deep-fried foods. Staying away from most things that come from a drive-thru is a good rule of thumb when it comes to healthy eating and general health. Deep-fried foods are a silent killer because the empty calories contained in the substandard and unhealthy fast food options you all may be familiar with are full of grease, added sugars, and processed meats. Such a diet will impact how your body appears and performs. This includes your skin. When anything is deep fried, like potatoes for example, the oil and fat get exposed to extremely high temperatures, which not only kills the goodness left in the vegetable, but also forms the aforementioned free radicals in the body. These free radicals then cause massive chemical chain reactions that wreak havoc on your skin and your internal organs. The process which makes these free radicals significantly accelerates the time it takes your body to age is called cross-linking. Cross-linking harms the DNA molecules of the skin and makes them lose their elasticity at a faster rate. Most fast food restaurants use corn oil to deep fry their products. Corn oil is one of the unhealthiest options that can be used when it comes to frying food. This is because it is responsible for releasing free radicals in the body upon consumption. It can also cause oxidative stress, which can lead to heart disease and various skin conditions like blemishes and wrinkles. Even if you're craving some French fries, try to opt for healthier alternatives like baked sweet potato fries. Try to avoid foods cooked at a high temperature. Most foods cooked at a high temperature are detrimental to your overall health, as they provide little in terms of nourishment for your body and may even cause a bunch of negative side effects on your skin and other organs. Most polyunsaturated oils like corn oil and sunflower oil contain a high amount of omega-6 fatty acids. Cooking foods in such oils at high heat runs the risk of releasing harmful free radicals and increasing the levels of inflammation in your body. If left unchecked, this can add up and cause significant damage to your skin and heart health. Additionally, while a lot of people, including you, may prefer charred meats, the fact is that any foods that have been cooked in such a manner increase the risk of inflammation in the skin. When the skin tissue is inflamed, it produces harmful hydrocarbons, which break down the collagen contained in the cells and results in a more aged and wrinkly appearance. Additionally, any foods prepared with a flambe method should also be avoided, as they are not only exposed to high temperatures, but also involve the use of alcohol in the cooking process. Increased intake of alcohol can boost the production of reactive oxygen species. This can in turn increase the levels of oxidative stress in the body and lead to severe skin problems. It is not the end of the world if you are served charred meat. It's just important to scrape off all the blackened bits to avoid any health complications. Additionally, opting for healthy oils with monounsaturated fats like olive oil over other polyunsaturated vegetable oils can go a long way in improving your skin and overall health. It may leave you in a bind to find out that some of the foods you like consuming the most may have been terrible for your skin all along. You may be wondering what types of food you should go for instead. Conveniently, in today's bonus fact, we will be telling you just that. Most foods that are good for your other organs are good for your skin too. It all depends on consuming the perfect balance of vitamins and minerals to achieve wrinkle-free and healthy skin. One of the best foods you can opt for is fatty fish, such as salmon. This is because it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These acids are great at keeping your skin moisturized and nourished. They also help lower the levels of inflammation in the body. Some other foods for healthy skin include nuts, berries, tomatoes, leafy greens, apricots, and carrots. There you have it, guys. Follow these tips and you'll start reversing that biological clock in no time. Being confident in your physical appearance is one of the biggest steps to a happier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button for more videos that can help improve your health. Do you know any effective remedies to achieve healthier skin? Please share with us in the comments below.